Hey guys, what's up? This is Kenny coming back to you with another video review. And in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at Lego Hero Factory Transformers Ratchet. So, here we are. Here is Ratchet. Looks very similar to my Ironhide mock. You know, they both do have the pretty much exact same design, just different heads. So, yeah, it was pretty easy to replicate Ironhide's design on a Ratchet. Of course, exposed back of the legs and exposed back of the arms, but I mean, that's to be expected. A good amount of these figures, so what the heck. Come on, stand, Ratchet. Goodness. Here we go. Not too bad. In terms of a weapon, comes with this little blaster, spring-load shooter, and wait, what? Why isn't that? Huh? That's odd. It usually works. Okay. Oh, I'll have to fix that. All right. I'm just going to give him his blaster. And yeah, that's there it is. So yeah, there it is. Oh, excuse me. There's a Ratchet, right? Oh, excuse me. All right. So yeah, that's it for this video review. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and recommend my videos to others who may enjoy my content. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Kenny saying, peace out.